Mr. Chair.
Customs, do we have dogs in the area?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ilan?
Meron po, the presence of PDEA also and other agencies in the designated examination area.
Okay, designated lang, not everything is examined.
Pag po nag-fall ng red.
Red lang.
Opo.
Okay, now, that's my next question actually. How many containers pass through, example, the ports of Bureau of Customs in Manila? Ilang containers in a day?
More or less, Your Honor, like 1,500 containers. That's
What?
a ballpark figure.
1,500 containers a day. Just Manila
more
lang,
or
ah?
less.
More or
In the
less.
Port of Manila,
Average,
Your Honor.
average lang.
Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor.
How many are
Ballpark.
actually X-rayed?
Actually, Your Honor, sa Port of Manila po, mga half at least, because if it
Half.
falls on if it's tagged orange, Your Honor, kasi po may color coding tayo. So if it's tagged orange, automatic po, it has to pass through X-ray.
So you said an average of about 750. Kasi half.
Yes,
Average
Your
na lang. Okay, how many are examined by the dogs? Sa 750 na yan.
Your Honor, mga more or less 500 ganyan.
500.
Because po 300 to 500 containers. Kasi po pag if it falls on a red, talagang 100% examination 'yan.
So yung green yung fast lane, ano? Na
Yes.
hindi na in-examine niya or
Green
very
and-
minimal examination.
Yes, Your Honor. Green
Okay.
and yellow. Your
My question next is, ilan ba ang aso nyo? Ilang dogs do you have?
Your Honor, nagpapalitan po mga 3 po.
Tatlo.
Opo.
And then how many containers can a dog examine? Yan ang question eh, di ba? They only work for certain number of minutes in a day eh.
Yes, Your
Ha?
Honor.
Ilan?
Your Honor, siguro mga 200 siguro. Tapos uupo na yan. Minsan napapagod.
Pagod talaga. Di ba? They're supposed to work only a certain number of minutes nga eh. Kasi they have to rest para at least ano naman yung pangamoy nila. But you already answered kanina, mga 500 ang na-examine eh. So
Yes,
we
sir.
all know that's not true, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor. But na-examine, Your Honor.
No. You said, I asked kanina, ilan yung dadaan? Sabi mo 1.5. Ilan yung na-x-ray? Sabi mo 750. Sabi ko, ilan yung sine-check ng aso? Sabi mo 500.
Your Honor, subjected po talaga kasi yan sa direct examination area. Yung aso po talaga, dinadaan po. Pero
Okay.
syempre, napapagod.
Let me ask you another question na lang. Sige. Is a dog more effective than the x-ray when it comes to sniffing out drugs?
Your Honor, pag napagod, minsan umuupo.
No.
pero-
Don't tell me pagpagod. In general lang. Sino ang mas effective? Aso ba o x-ray?
X-ray, Your Honor.
X-ray?
Yes, Your Honor.
Eh, sabi mo kanina, hindi mo makita yung figure kung drugs ba yun or hindi.
Syempre, Your Honor, depends po sa, kasi, sa... It depends. Our X-ray machines are really not that...
Ay, madam, let's answer it on what we have. Don't tell me yung mas maganda sana. Ang gusto kong tanong po, ang tinatanong ko po is yung currently, ano yung nandyan, meron tayo, ano yung ginagamit natin, and sa tingin natin which would be more effective in using. Now, kasi it's actually very connected to the bill of Congressman Gomez now, which will be passing yung committee report ngayon. So, itong tanong ko, no? Kulang ka ng x-ray, 3 lang yung aso mo, and you have 1,500 containers that pass through it a day. It's impossible to handle, di ba? Would you agree?
Yes, Your Honor.
We need more. Would you
We
agree
need
also?
more.
Okay. Now, ano bang budget implications ng additional siguro 10 more dogs or 20 more dogs or something like that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anong tingin mo? Kaya ba ng budget of course, kaya ng budget ng ng customs, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Madaming budget ng customs. So why can't we request for some?
Your Honor, it is not the customs who request for the dogs.
Okay.
It is not the customs who trained and
Okay.
bring the dogs in.
It's
the
PDEA.
Your Honor.
Okay.
So, Your Honor, to answer, it is a concerted effort. The X-ray machine, the other agencies present during the designated, at the designated examination area. So, all this work hand in hand together. I know...
If they work hand in hand.
If
And the
they
perfect example why we're here right now is because they're not working hand in hand.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's why 404 kilos were.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Congressman Gomez?
Mr. Chair, thank you.